Hi, thanks for tuning in. This is the S&P ASX 200 Index Daily Update for Friday the 16th of February 2024. And let me just say it's good to be back. The ASX 200 Index closed higher again today. The local market pushed higher from the open and then moved into consolidation mode for the remainder of the day, effectively absorbing any supply that was being drawn out of the market. In doing so, this confirmed the two-bar reversal or shakeout from Wednesday and Thursday. You can see the two-bar reversal in here and an up bar in response effectively confirms it. The recovery from Wednesday's sharp sell-off has been quick and strong. If I just get rid of that bar was Wednesday's sell-off. You can see price sliced lower, mostly in sympathy with overseas markets. And this suggests that the price action provided a welcome opportunity to accumulate positions by many traders in the market. Here's the recovery off the lows initially, and then in response. That's a quick and strong recovery. There's no doubt about it. And this suggests that the strong positive sentiment in the market remains in place. And I say that we've got late last year this really large gain, relatively large gain. And then this was the first day of the new year, I think, here. And the market pulled back, consolidated. There was a multi-bar shakeout here, there, which broke out there, test, push higher. The market's effectively at all-time highs up around these levels here. You've had a period of absorption there, and now some consolidation to that in response. And this week, I don't think the sharp sell-off on Wednesday was expected, but the opportunity was presented to the market and it was accepted pretty gladly. They used that news from overseas to push the market lower, accumulate off the lows, and then since then, Thursday and Friday have seen the market recover strongly in a buy the offer sort of fashion. The offer was there and the market bought the lot effectively and just closed a little off the highs at the end of the week. Spread narrowed a little today, but only to about average overall. The close was a little off the day's high, but did not appear to be a serious supply issue, more just a part of the normal consolidation process following the 2 days gains. Volume remained quite high, partly I expect due to carryover volume from yesterday's options and futures expiry day, and you always get a little bit of carryover volume on the Friday. So that's pretty common. Following the strong gains and high volumes this week, I expect the market may spend some time on Monday testing the market for supply. So you would expect something like this, at least initially on Monday. Unless, of course, there's strong gains on overseas markets overnight tonight, in which case you'd see an up bar in response. But I would expect a little period of consolidation on Monday. You've had 3 days of high volumes, and that normally encourages the market to move into consolidation mode and test for supply, at least for a period, at least intraday, at least till lunchtime on Monday. Then if there's no supply available, maybe the market will just pop up in response. But you would expect some form of consolidation or testing for supply, at least initially on a Monday. It's common on a Monday because the market doesn't like to lead unless it's really obvious and it won't be wrong. So in response, the market will normally, the local market that is, will normally test for supply on a Monday and then wait for overseas markets to trade. And if everything's safe and sound overseas, then we can either follow their lead or then lead the markets. But our market doesn't like to push higher initially on a Monday unless it's pretty obvious where we're going. They don't like to be wrong. So I would expect a test for supply on Monday, at least initially, to show that there's not a lot of supply being drawn out of the market, in particular due to the last 3 days high volumes going through. At the close of trade today, the local market finished 52.6 points higher, which is 0.69 of 1%. Okay, thanks for your time. Good to be back. See ya.